No, that did not just happen.
Killed her.
I'm glad we finally did this, guys. You know how long it's been since we had an actual camping trip?
Yeah, I agree. Even with the stories that these woods hold.
Stories? What stories?
Georgie, don't.
Oh, here we go.
Well, legend of Old Man Rudy says, about 20 years ago, this guy took his girlfriend up here for a little camping trip, if you know what I mean.
Oh, get on with it, man.
Well, while they were tucked away in their tent at night, the girlfriend heard something. So she went out to take a look at what it was. And when she didn't come back for a little bit, the boyfriend got worried. So he went to go out and check on her. While he was walking through the woods, he heard what sounded like some low growling noises. So naturally, he started running. Well, locals say you could hear screams all the way into town. When the cops finally got out there to look and see the scene, all they found was a lonely finger. That is until about 4 years ago, when he came wandering out of the woods, butt naked. Then they locked him up in the loony bin, though, because he wouldn't stop muttering about this guy who called himself Rudy, who could turn himself into a dog, who ate his girlfriend, and then chained him up for 4 years. The girlfriend's body was never found, but to this day, you can still hear the howls of Old Man Rudy.
You don't really expect us to believe that, do you?
I sure don't. It sounds like a story parents tell their kids so they don't go running off to the woods with their boyfriends.
And on that note, I'm gonna go get some more firewood.
I'll go with you. You shouldn't be wandering around these woods by yourself with a werewolf on the loose.
What was that? I don't know. The wind? The trees? What makes you so sure?
It's a windy night, and there are a lot of trees out there.
That doesn't mean it couldn't be something else.
Like what?
Like someone trying to get in.
You got no reason to think that, do you? On the other hand, there are a lot of trees out there.
That doesn't mean it couldn't be something else.
Like what?
Like someone trying to get in.
You've got no reason to think that, do you? On the other hand, there are a lot of trees out there.
It doesn't sound like a tree to me. It sounds like prying on wood. Like someone with one of those pry bars working on a door or a window. And they're doing it, and they're smart. And they're doing it only when the wind picks up.
You're gonna drive yourself crazy if you concern yourself with every sound you hear. Promise me you will calm down.
You're right.
I will.
What was that? Go see what that was.
You guys are asshats. I'm fucking going to bed.
Yeah, we might as well too.
Can I stop recording?
I just died.
Yeah. Lerner, wake up.
What?
There's something outside.
What do you mean there's something outside?
I thought it was Georgie and Emily at first, but they're still asleep.
Yeah, they are. Guys, wake up.
There's something outside.
What?
There's something out there.
Better be fucking good.
Oh, God.
The fuck is that? Go check it.
What?
Go check it.
No!
Are you gonna really be a baby about this too?
I wanna fucking...
It's probably nothing. It's probably just a tree.
A tree? Walking.
We're
A
in
tree
the
walking.
woods, bro.
Trees don't walk.
Just open the fucking door. Dude, just open the tent.
No!
Oh
Why?
my god, I'm gonna kill you both. I'll just do it myself.
What are you talking about? Don't open the tent.
Thank you.
Seriously, don't.
Dicey.
I just open it.
Emily, don't open it.
No, please just open it.
Don't.
Stop being a sissy for once.
Seriously.